What's up? What is up, YouTube? Hey y'all. Hey y'all, welcome back. Welcome back. What is good? What is up? What is going on with you guys? Before we get started in today's video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications to all so you'll get notified of every video that I drop. In today's video, I am coming to you guys with an SXC Cosmetics Poly Gel set. This is their pink one. A lot of you have been waiting for this. This is also glow in the dark, temperature changing, super sparkly. Get all those goodies. So as you all know, it comes with an instruction manual, tells you how to, what to do, when to do it, This is the Pink X Bling series. I do get a 15% off discount code with SXC. My code is down below in my description box. Get a 100-180 grit file, a beautiful pink brush, of course, brush and spatula, dual forms, which I will not be using. And you know what I like to do with these? We're gonna swatch our poly gel on these. These, of course, are paper forms. It comes with them. Most of them do. You get some of these tiny little twinkly beads. You get some glitter. Damn, they don't give you a whole lot, do they? I mean, really, they don't even fill up the jar for you. You get your top coat, base coat, really gorgeous pink and black bottles. I do like about SXC is they always give you really large polygel tubes, being 30 grams of polygel, not a teeny tiny tube. So that's always nice. And it says on here, glow in the dark, so you know. Here's the super sparkly one, and it's called Sparkly. Sparkly, this one is Gemini. Have another super sparkly one called Radiance. We have a temperature changing one called Ambrosia. Have another temperature change called Drusilla. And last but not least, we have Virgo, which is a glow in the dark. And remove your tabs. All right, so here are all 6 colors that you'll get. 2 glow in the dark, 2 color changing, and 2 sparkles. All right, there are the 2 color changing ones. Look how neat. That's pretty. I really like this one. This blue one. These 2 went to a lighter pink instead of that really dark red and dark pink. You all know I do go in with a foil glue as a peel off method. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the foil glue to all of my nails. I am going to get my dampened dish that I got from Enail Couture. Some of my watermelon slip solution. We're going to be using the Famous Square by Enail Couture today. And to prep these tips, go ahead and take off that little tab at the top. Go ahead and file around your cuticles. Go ahead and buff off your surface shine. These are already pre-etched, so you don't have to do anything with them. 1 thin coat of their base. Now, I do like the fact that their base is super, super thick. Y'all see that? Like, that stuff is no joke. You're gonna go ahead, put on your base from your cuticles to your free edge. Once your base is applied to all your nails, go ahead and do a 30-second cure. I'm going to use the 2 glow in the darks. My nail bed come to about right here. And then I'm going to pull it down. It doesn't have to be neat. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just kind of like eyeball it. Okay. Kind of like where you're going to put it. Just so I have some kind of outline. Definitely not perfect, but you get the gist of it. Flip it over. This is the Lazy Girl method. A little bit of poly gel in here. I'm gonna take my slip solution and we are going to start maneuvering that poly gel. Make sure it goes all the way up one side wall on the underside. Okay, nice and smooth in the center. You still want that nice sharp C curve in those nails, right? Okay. And you want it to go all the way up to the side. Smooth it down if you have to. Keep turning it around. Make sure everything looks nice. Cover up any spots that you might see. And then once you get to this part, you're gonna pull that down to make your French. You see how it kind of helps having that outline? Flip it over, make sure that's what you like, and go ahead and do a cure. I usually do about 30 seconds. Now I'm gonna do all the nails the same way. All right, go ahead and cure that. And now what I'm gonna do is take the top coat. I'm gonna top coat just where I put the poly gel. Do a 60-second cure after your top coat's applied. You do your cuticle bead. You don't want too much, but you do want to fill in the gaps. A little bit in there. And you're going to move that from one side wall to the other. Make sure it's nice and thin by the cuticle. Not too thick. And then you're going to fill in the remaining gap with that pink. Just like that. And apply your nail. Make sure, oops, that was cute. Make sure it's nice and thin. Flip it. Apply it. Make sure nothing's coming out. Make sure it's touching the nail and cure. Okay, don't worry about that Sharpie, it's gonna come off. Again, take the color, one side to the other. You may need a little more poly gel because these do have a sharper curve in them. So just make sure you have enough. But bring it all the way up to that point where there is no poly gel. Go ahead and flip it over. Go ahead and apply that and cure. Now what I like to do, since we are using poly gel, when I go under the lamp to cure, I'll go under this way for 30 seconds, flip it and go on that way for 30 seconds. All right, once you have them all applied, go ahead and do a full 60-second cure. Some isopropyl alcohol, and that's gonna take off the Sharpie, just like that. Really easy. Take all the Sharpie off. Now file the heck out of these nails. File real good around your cuticle area. Buff off the surface shine. Take off that tab. Go ahead and buff the nail. Get around that cuticle real good. What I like to do is take some acetone with a lint-free wipe. I like to go over that nail with the acetone to clean off any excess dust. It's Barano Nail Rhinestone Gel. I'll leave a link below. I bought this with my money. Send you 3 packs of get the Fimos here. You get butterflies and gummy bears, like miniature gummy bears. And then you get some larger, they're Fimo, but they're thicker than Fimos. Get 2 rhinestone tubes, and you also get needle nose tweezers. It's precision tip. Before I add any rhinestones, I'm going to take my Enail Couture 147 flash gel, and I'm going to go over all the nails with a coat of that. We're just going to put a thin coat of that on the nail just to give it a little sparkle. Not too much, because you don't want to cover up your, your French. So really quickly, I do want to say the poly gel worked really nicely. It was not soft. It did not stick to my brush. It wasn't too hard. I've always really liked SXC poly gel. I go ahead and cure this reflective gel real quick for 60 seconds. Amazon, I got these Big Bling, Big Drip, whatever you want to call them. And then I got these from Shein, my Barano Rhinestone Gel. And I'm going to put 1 drop at the cuticle on all of my nails. All right, it's nice and thick. Staying where I put it. Okay, that's good. That's a good sign. Pop it on there. Oh, that one fell off. Oh, that's to be expected. Now these are falling, y'all. Stay. Stay. Oh my gosh, y'all, they're not staying. We gotta do this one at a freaking time. Oh my heavens, what the hell? Freeze cure it. Grab another one, place it on the rhinestone glue. Freeze cure it. I'm gonna use their rhinestones that they send. I'm gonna take the SXC No Wipe top coat. And it's a thick, thick top coat, you guys. Super, super thick. I like that. That's definitely a bonus. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply that top coat on the whole nail, around the rhinestone. Looks like it's nice and shiny too. Cap your free edge. Put the heart right here. One of the large rhinestones and put it right at the tip. I just put one right there. This top coat is super thick. I'm digging the top coat. I really like the top coat. So here are my nails in the dark. Look at that. Oh my gosh, y'all, look. Oh my heavens, look at that, would you? And y'all, my pinky is crooked as hell, and that's why I can't get like, I can never get like a good picture because my pinky comes in to my nails and kind of like overlaps. You see what it does? I hate that. My nails are not, or my hands are not straight. They're crooked as shit. Would you look at that reflective glitter and that reflective heart? The heart is even reflective. Oh my gosh. And I don't know if you guys can like truly see, but these are gorgeous. I'm gonna grab my cotton candy cuticle oil, rub it in real good. And there we have it. There we have my SXC Polygel glow in the dark nails. I do want to give the SXC Polygel, I'm gonna give it 4 Babygirl nails. I'm taking away 1 Babygirl nail because the glitter is like, you get hardly nothing. And I don't know why. And same with the little, same with these. You don't get a whole lot. I absolutely love their base and top coat. Love their polygels. Would you guys rock these? Would you guys wear these? Let me know. Let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know what you guys think of the famous square nails by Enail Couture. With that said, hope y'all have a blessed day. I'm sending you lots of love and light, and I will see y'all in my next video.